Your Hindi textbook.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Laksh. Take your Hindi textbook today. Pencil eraser.
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर करना है?
I will tell you, bacha. I will tell you. Let's everyone join and then we can start. Just take your Hindi textbook, everyone. Your Hindi textbook. इसमें एक छोटी सी rhymes है about the book. Okay. Have you ever listened this? I will read it for you. Okay. It is very nice. I like it. I hope you all will like it. Chalo, ma'am will read. Okay. You just pay attention. Listen it very carefully. पिए बू मैंने देखा तुमको कुछ गुगली गू तुमने देखा मुझको. It's so nice. पिए बू मैंने देखा तुमको गुगली गू तुमने देखा मुझको. पिए बू तुम और मैं. पिए बू मैं और तुम. वापिस से मैं बोल रही हूँ. ओके. पिए बू तुम और मैं. पिए बू मैं और तुम. पिए बू कहाँ हो तुम. कुचिकू आगे तुम पीछे हम. सो नाइस. पिए बू कहाँ हो तुम. कुचिकू आगे तुम पीछे हम. देन पिए बू हमारे प्यारे तुम. पिए बू तुम्हारे प्यारे हम. पिए बू संग खेले तुम. पिए बू मजे करे हम. How was it? It is about the book rhyme. Piye boo. The book name is Piye boo, so it is the rhymes of a Piye boo. Yes.
मैम कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आया.
बच्चा उसमें राइम्स है ना एक ही. आप स्टार्टिंग का फर्स्ट पेज देख लो. मैम ने वो रीड किया.
हाँ मैंने ही करा है.
हाँ. So I have read this. I will read it once again. This is very nice rhyme. You can listen the paragraph. The rhyming words and everything is very nice. Prayag, come on, sit down in the class, bacha. Chalo, last time again I will read. Okay, everyone just listen carefully. Yes, please.
It is Peekaboo or Peekaboo?
It is written P-A-boo. It is not Pika. It is not Ka. It is P-A. You can read the spelling also. Yes. It's a Peekaboo. Are you sure? I don't know. It's written P-A-boo. So you will tell me it is P-A-boo or Peekaboo.
Peek, ma'am, peek. Peekaboo.
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 Peekaboo. Okay, so chalo, then we will change the.
Ma'am, no Peekaboo.
Okay, चलो पिकाबू से रीड करती है मैम. ओके. पिकाबू मैंने देखा तुमको. गुगली गू तुमने देखा मुझको. पिकाबू तुम और मैं. पिकाबू मैं और तुम. पिकाबू कहाँ हो तुम. कुचिकू आगे तुम पीछे हम. पिकाबू हमारे प्यारे तुम. पिकाबू तुम्हारे प्यारे हम. पिकाबू संग खेले तुम. पिकाबू पिकाबू मजे करे हाँ हम तुम. Okay, so this is our rhymes of peekaboo. Now what we are going to do today in the Hindi textbook, we have finished swar. Okay, we have finished swar and vyanjan. Okay, a e e. Can anybody read a e e for me? Who knows swar? All the swars. Just एक second. Okay, then आगे किया next. किया next. O
अंग अहम क ख
बस stop.
That's it. Okay, so that is the swar, right? A e u ru. A o aha. Okay, these are the swars. So first of all,
Can I see swar?
okay, you can see. And you can say, ओ कहाँ गया? No, not Vyanjan. So class, what we are going to do, you have to write the swar and Vyanjan today. You can see there is a line. Okay, you can see this line. You have to write all the swar and Vyanjan today. Okay, we will do practice in the class. So first of all, you will write swar, and after completing swar, you will write Vyanjan. Okay. Cholo, everyone start writing, and please write in a good handwriting. Everyone write in a good handwriting and write in a proper line. And the ERP, the report card will be uploaded today at 11:30. So you can check it out, your report card, after 11:30. Okay? Cholo. Now everyone just write down
number. कौन सा number?
Page number 8. हाँ लक्ष्य.
कल हमारी क्लास नहीं है.
नहीं, कल आपकी क्लास नहीं है, कल PTM है. Tomorrow is the PTM. So I request all the parents to join for the PTM. There will be no class tomorrow. Okay? निवान, लिखना है बच्चा.
Is tomorrow, but all of my mama and mama did I also going with me.
Your daddy's place or nanny's place. But mama will need.
I'll take the laptop with me.
Okay, Kana.
That's why we
Now
can
finish writing.
And
Remove your hand from your mouth. Who is done? Kate, you are done? Then write down. Then now write down Vyanjan. Okay, write down all the Vyanjan. Swar is done. Then start writing Vyanjan. And please write in a good handwriting. Okay?
yeah.
Ayansh Bacha, you are able to do now? Kate, mute your microphone.
Ma'am, done.
Done. What done him hai?
Vyanjan.
Vyanjan also done.
What?
हाँ. Then write down Vyanjan now. Write down Vyanjan.
I'm done.
Just a minute, Hetha. I'll see your all work. Show me.
I'm done.
का कहतर मम्मी?
Plan, Vyanjan and were done.
Show me. There are more pages, bacha. You have to complete till page number 12. Till page number 12. Yan we done till 12? Then finished. You have to complete it class till page number 12. Vyanjans are till page number 12.
Ma'am, done.
Till page number 12, Ara?
Not 12 done.
So you have to complete it till page number 12. Wait a minute, Shiven? Okay, Shiven, you have completed till 12, I think so, right? Very good, Shiven. Yes. Perfect. But you have to wait, Shiven, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, bacha. But you have to wait, okay? Just wait for others to complete because we are going to do the revision of rhymes also. Hai na? Okay.
Ma'am, my done.
Oh, I was knowing it that Kia will also finish. Very good, Kia. Nicely written.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, my senior.
Big nose. Like a Pinocchio.
Yes.
Yes, Shlok.
मैम क्या लिखना है? मैम क्या लिखना है?
लेट क्यों ज्वाइन किया?
Ma'am, he was in washroom.
Okay, ma'am. So they have to take their Hindi textbook, and Hindi textbook they have to finish or swar and vyanjan.
Okay.
Yeah. हेत कौन सा पेज दिखा रहे हो आप मेरे को?
12
page. That is not a 12 page number. You are showing me 2 letter, 3 letter words. Now. Okay, Hit. Good. Then wait here for some time.
Okay.
Be there.
Two. Madam done.
Show me your book. Okay. The page. Okay, Laksh. Perfect.
मैम हैंडराइटिंग कैसी लिखी है?
अच्छी है.
Thank you. Ma'am, 12 pages done.
12 pages done. Show me. Okay. Good. Yes, Yanvi. Perfect. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Come on, class. Finish it fast.
Ma'am,
No.
no. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Done, Hriday? Just a middle C, huh? Very good, Hriday. Very good. Nicely written. Good, Hriday. Perfect. Perfect. Yes.
Done.
Done, Vedika? Yes. Okay. Perfect. 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 Very good, bacha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Now, class, who is left? Please finish it fast. Arav, Ayansh, Shlok, Nivan. Everyone, please finish it fast. Danish, Paki. Kanak, what about you? Don't
मैम
forget.
कितने पेज नंबर तक करना है, कहाँ तक करना है?
मैम पेज नंबर 12 तक
Oh.
व्यंजन है ना, सो वहां तक.
ओके.
या Arav, how much is yours left? Ayansh, Danish, Himay, Prayag, Paki, Nivan. Done, Arav? Okay. Okay, we can do one thing. We can do practice of rhymes in a next class. The one who has finished their writing, they can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. The one who has finished their writing, they can leave the class. Bye, बच्चा. मैं लिखना है, right? Danish, please finish your writing. Arav, bolo.
Done.
Show me your pages. Okay, now turn. Next page. Show me.
Can I read you a story?
Very good. Okay, Arav. Done.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
I read a story?
I can listen your story, but it will be good that everybody can listen your story. No, not now. No, not now, Ritika. Not now.
Why, ma'am? Because I practice daily.
You are practicing this daily?
Yes.
Which story you are practicing daily? Tell me.
चल अब घर चल.
Ghar chal. Okay. Nice.
Ma'am, done.
Who's done? Sorry. Who is done?
Ma'am, done.
Nivan is done. Okay. Just a minute,
Ma'am,
Nivan.
done.
Okay, Nivan. Okay, I can see.
Ma'am, done.
निवन ख तो देखो, ख कैसा लिखा है आपने? Okay. Okay, Nivan. Next page. Okay, Nivan. Perfect. Some of the words को ऊपर नीचे कर दिया है, but that's fine. ख सिर्फ एकदम अजीब सा लिखा है. नीचे सर्कल किया एकदम नीचे जाके. Okay. Now, Nivan. Okay, Nivan. Now I can see Hima is also done. Yes, Hima. Okay, next page, Nivan. Sorry, Hima. Show me next page. Okay, perfect. Okay, proper. Okay.
Ma'am, why did the funny faces look here?
Very nice. Okay, Hima. Well done.
Why did the funny faces? Bye,
Because
ma'am.
this is a bye, Hima. This is a book for small kids, na? So small kids used to do this, and they make these faces. That is why.
What?
Small kids. This is a book for small kids now. So you all making this type of faces. Sometimes you are sad. Sometimes you are happy. So they are showing your face.
Ma'am,
Yes.
बोल
we are not so serious.
I am telling you serious. See, right now you are smiling.
Well done.
Right now you are smiling. After sometimes when you don't like it, then you will be make your sad face. So they are expressing your face.
Like
Yes,
this.
who is done? Who is done? Yes, like this.
Like this.
Shlok, show me your book. Okay. Next. Okay. Next page. Yeah. And the last.
लास्ट इसने अच्छे से नहीं लिखा है स्पीडी स्पीडी
That I can see. But anyhow, Shlok, you can write in a good handwriting. वैसे तो आपकी handwriting अच्छी ही है हिंदी में. चलो. No problem. Okay.
Ma'am,
Bye.
this shape.
What you like?
Our face is not this shape.
So what?
Our face is this.
I was just telling the emotions. The emotions you show that is expresses in that way.
Our face is not that face.
I to see in that way.
Look. That face. What shape is it?
So whose face then it will be? Ma'am's face? Then Paki, show me your book. Show me your book, bacha.
Squirrel's face. Squirrel.
Very good, Paki.
Squirrel's face.
Just a minute, Vedika. Well done, Paki. Nice, nice. So you have written in a good handwriting, Paki. Good. Vedika.
And squirrel face.
Yes, squirrel face. You don't want to leave the class? You want to sit for the class? You are done now?
Yes.
And you want to talk to ma'am. That is why, right?
No, ma'am, I can't leave the class because my reading class is not.
This is not your reading class, but your reading class will be after one class more than the last class. Still 2 class is left to go. Next class is your EVS class, and then afterwards your reading class.
What class?
Next class is your maths class. EVS class, general awareness, and then afterwards you have a
not takes anything now. Means there is books, not some books, anything.
for EVS.
Yes.
Yes, because there is no book for EVS.
And pencil eraser.
We don't require anything.
Okay, ma'am.